And I just want to talk to you today about this wonderful project. It was established in 2003, and the main aim of this project was to make recordings accessible, to digitize recordings that had been made by researchers, and then to build a community-facing resource. There was no agency taking responsibility for these recordings, so they were at risk of loss. We have a catalogue that currently represents over 1,360 languages in 230 terabytes. 16,600 hours of audio plus video, text and images. And we've moved everything to S3 storage in the last year. It's a project we did with Yap in Micronesia. You can see the tapes, and we digitized 120 tapes for them. We've also worked with the Solomon Islands National Museum and digitized many tapes, and you can see the tapes are sitting there and they're not being looked after. We go searching for tapes using our Lost and Found project, and we've, as a result, found a number of tape collections that we've been able to digitize. Now, we put everything into an online catalog so that it's available, and this more recently, what's exciting is that we've been moving everything to linked data standards using Research Object Crate. And this is the exciting and innovative work that really changes the way that the collection is described. It's described internally. Each object has its own description, which means we can take arbitrary sets of objects out of the collection and create a catalogue for just those items. So this is an example of a viewer built on top of just RO Crate. This is not running out of our catalogue. And what this allows us to do is to search within items in the collection. We aren't able to do that at the moment because we search metadata, but not the items themselves. And as you can see on the right bottom there, where there is a transcript of a media file, it can be played together with that file, and we can search those transcripts. This is really exciting and innovative. It means that we can take small arbitrary sets of material, put them onto a Raspberry Pi, which is a low-powered web server, take this out into the field, and we've done this a number of times, and provide this information together with the catalogue of just that collection. So here's an example of people in Erekor village in Vanuatu looking at material from their language on their phones that's being transmitted from a Raspberry Pi in the environment around them. So we can take research recordings that were made in the past and were sitting in people's offices, and we can make them available for the source communities and be reused. It also means that the research that is done is grounded in the recordings that can be cited and reused. And we have lots of examples now of new research based on these recordings once they have licenses for reuse. This has all meant that we can collaborate with museums and archives in the Pacific that need help preserving analog tape and have good ways of taking this back to them. Thanks very much.